Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Travel with Cubs. This is our third episode of our amazing holiday adventure in beautiful Sri Lanka. If you have been following along, you know how much fun we've been having, and today is no exception. Sri Lanka is heating up with temperatures soaring just over 35 degrees, so we decided there's no better way to cool off than to bring our little cubs to the fabulous Pearl Bay in Bandaragama. Pearl Bay is proudly part of David Peary's group of companies, one of the most reputable firms in Sri Lanka. Growing up here in Sri Lanka, we didn't have water parks to enjoy in our childhood, so it's incredible to see a Sri Lankan business stepping up to create such a fantastic experience for families and kids. We are now heading towards Sri Lanka's first gravity drop slide. Do you have what it takes to brave a 62-meter tunnel? This thrilling ride is not for the faint of heart. At Splash Bay, part of this massive leisure park, you can cool off and have a blast on 16 exciting water slides. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a little leaguer, there's something for everyone. Our cubs had a blast showing off some of their stunts, and you can watch them in action. This area is an absolute paradise for our cubs. It's packed with vibrant, colorful water slides that twist and turn, making every ride an adventure. Pearl Bay is more than just a water park. If you have an eye for precision, check out Target Bay, which offers an air rifle shooting range with 5 separate firing ranges with moving score sheets. There's also an amazing karting circuit that we can't wait to experience on our next trip to Sri Lanka when our cubs are a bit older. Now it's time for us to go. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, Travel with Cubs, and don't forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Stay tuned with us for more exciting adventures coming soon.
bye.